Hey, today I'll show you how to delete all your emails at once on Gmail Mail. So I have a lot of emails here, 727 emails, a lot of emails, man. And if you'll take your time and mark this box, which will select every email on this page, you will see that it selected only the emails from this page, which is about 50. And it will take you a lot of time deleting all the pages. There is a way how to delete all the emails at once on Gmail Mail, so you don't have to do this manually. What you have to do, you'll have to select this box from the top, which will select all the emails from this page. Then you will see this pop-up message: all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Select all 786 conversations in primary, because I am at inbox at primary, right? So I will press on select all 786 emails, and now all 786 conversations in primary are selected. And what I will have to do now, I will have to press on this trash bin icon, the delete button, and confirm bulk action. I will have to confirm that I want to bulk delete all the emails at once on Gmail Mail, and sometimes it's instant and sometimes it's not, and I notice I have just 500 now, despite the fact that I selected all the emails. So let's try to do it again. I will select all the emails again, select all 500 and something left, and let's try to do it again. Let's delete them. And right now my inbox is completely empty, and I save a lot of time by doing this. So this is how to bulk delete all the emails at once on Gmail Mail. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.